Ilara loved the idea of a lush, green home, but her reality was a graveyard of wilting leaves and forgotten pots. Every new plant was a hopeful experiment, quickly turning into a botanical mystery she couldn't solve. Her urban apartment, despite her best efforts, felt more concrete than jungle. One evening, scrolling through her phone, a vibrant green logo caught her eye, a leafy sprout framed by scanning brackets. PlantKit, the description read, "Your personal plant expert." Skeptical but desperate, she downloaded the app, a tiny spark of hope flickering. Her first test was a mystery plant, a gift she'd never identified. With a tap, she aimed her phone's camera. The app word analyzed, and in seconds, a name appeared. Monstera deliciosa. Not only that, but a detailed care guide, complete with watering schedules and light requirements. Ilara felt a thrill of discovery. Next, she turned to her ailing fiddle-leaf fig, its leaves speckled with an ominous brown. Her heart sank each time she looked at it. Was it over or underwatered? Too much sun? Too little? The questions had always overwhelmed her. She opened PlantKit again, selecting the Diagnose feature. She snapped a picture of the troubled leaves. The app quickly processed the image, then presented its findings. Fungal leaf spot, caused by high humidity and poor air circulation. It even suggested a natural fungicide recipe and advised moving the plant to a breezier spot. Ilara followed the instructions meticulously. She mixed the homemade fungicide, gently wiped down the leaves, and relocated her fig to a corner near an open window. She even bought a small fan to improve air circulation, feeling like a true plant doctor. Weeks turned into a month. Slowly, almost imperceptibly at first, new, unblemished leaves began to unfurl on the fiddle-leaf fig. The brown spots on the older leaves stopped spreading. Her monstera was thriving, its iconic split leaves growing larger and more dramatic. Ilara's apartment transformed. What was once a collection of struggling greenery became a vibrant, flourishing sanctuary. She identified every new acquisition, from a delicate string of pearls to a robust ZZ plant, and confidently addressed any minor ailment. PlantKit had not just saved her plants, it had cultivated her confidence. She learned the language of her leafy companions, understanding their needs and responding with informed care. Her green thumb, once a myth, was now a reality. Her home was alive, breathing with the quiet energy of nature, a testament to the power of a little knowledge and the right tools. With PlantKit, Ilara had not just grown plants, she had grown a deeper connection to the living world around her.